Because in terms of female leadership, Aruba and the other islands in the kingdom have got it more together than we have in the Netherlands. The government of Aruba has been led by your Prime Minister, Mrs. Wever-Kroes, for 5 years now. A female Prime Minister, it's still something we're waiting for in the Netherlands. Even the former Dutch Antilles had already 5 female Prime Ministers, of which Maria Liberia Peter served the longest, no less than 7 years. And what about other Aruban power women, like the windsurfer Sarah Kita Ofringa, Aruba's own Kabedusha, or Nidia Ecurie, to whom education, theater, and literature in Papiamento we owe so much. And also Virginia Demetricia, born into a family of enslaved people. As a teenager, she decided to resist her master. And thanks to those years of courage, we now know her as the rebel of Aruba. Today we stand on the shoulders of strong women, these strong women, and they are very important examples for us. So look at my relationships within the kingdom, because together we can strengthen the position of women here in the Caribbean. I think it's fantastic that female leadership is so strongly developed here. Even if it was only because I truly believe that a female way of working also helps to understand each other better in the kingdom. At least I'm hoping that it's going to work like that. I'm sure it will. And to come closer to each other in the coming time. But all at the same time, there are so many women here, but also in the Netherlands, who still have a hard time because they have to bear the burden of a life at home, often on their own, and many jobs to do at the same time, an extra heavy task. And it's crucial that they are supported by all of us, so that radical freedom and equality that de Beauvoir was stating is also there for them. I believe that in every Aruban girl there is a future Nidia Ecurie or Sarah Kita hidden. A future Evelien Wever-Kroes, Yamara Maduro, Jan Semelier or Viola Hoitke. And as long as we give them, you and each other, the chance to be free and equal to every human being, I'm sure we can make it. And I wanted to end with a, I think, very important song. Manera e clásico di maestro doble R, Tabisa, ta mujer, ta manda mundo.